Most people cannot imagine their lives without anything sweet. But we are always frightened by terrible diseases that can develop if we eat too much food high in carbohydrates, in particular glucose. Is it so? What is diabetes and what does it really depend on? Many people think that diabetes is an absolutely harmless disease, but nowadays it is one of the most serious problems of the mankind. 1.5 million people die from diabetes every year. Many scientists are brainwashing this problem, trying to come up with more and more new ways to solve it. For example, one of the options is an artificial introduction to the human's body of beta cells made from universal stem ones. Why is it so important? There are two types of diabetes. The first type is associated with elevated level of sugar. Normally, glucose should be absorbed by the cells of the body with the help of insulin produced by beta cells of the Langerhans islets in the pancreas. But the situation with diabetes is our organism produces special antibodies that hit beta cells. Thus, beta cells can't produce insulin anymore. Therefore, glucose cannot enter the cells and accumulates in the intracellular place, in particular the blood plasma. What are the ways out of this situation? Most often, in such cases, doctors prescribe the patient to prick insulin until the blood glucose level is normalized. The second type of diabetes is insulin independent, because insulin is normally synthesized by beta cells. The problem is with specific insulin receptors that activate the insulin work on the key lock motor. These cell guards stop taking insulin, therefore glucose doesn't split and the alarms report to the hypothalamus that the glucose level is still high. It in turn commands the pancreas to make more insulin to solve this problem. Too much insulin and glucose are accumulating in the blood plasma. And then beta cells are so depleted that they can't produce insulin anymore. Causes of failures in the process of glucose uptake can be very diverse. For example, a genetic predisposition, non-compliance with rational nutrition, or sedentary lifestyle. It is important to remember that even if you have a predisposition to diabetes, your life and your health depend on you and only on you. Going regularly to the doctor, performing adequate physical activity, and watching your daily diet, you can avoid most health problems, including diabetes.